viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be showing you how you can farm yet another zero-cost airdrop that could yield potential rewards. However, before we get started into this video, if you do find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be provided in the description beneath. Thank you for your support. Now let's dive into this video. Okay, so we'll be farming the Aqua Protocol project built on the Ton ecosystem. So Aqua Protocol is a liquidity layer on Ton blockchain, and they recently kickstarted their airdrop campaign where you can earn Aqua points. And to do this, what you need to do is to first tap on the link. This will be provided in the description. So you open up this link, okay, and I believe it will redirect you to Telegram. Alright, so you tap on start. Okay, so once you tap on start, it will just prompt you to start farming, and then you just tap on start farming, and then your Aqua points will be generated. Alright, so when you check beneath, there are other icons you can see like home, quests, ratings, brands. So we're on home now. Let's tap on quests to see what's required. Alright, so here you can get more Aqua points, right? So if you, let's for instance tap on join Aqua EN Telegram channel. Okay, once we tap on it and we tap on join, and we head back and let's see if it has been added. Okay, you can see at the top earned 10,000. So if you keep doing other quests, you just tap on go and do what's required of you, then you'll be getting your points where you have earned. So what you need to know is that where it's farming, that is where these points are being generated, after about 8 hours, that's 7 hours 59 minutes, so it's always regenerated after 8 hours. Just tap on claim, because once it's 8 hours and you don't tap on claim, you won't be populating any points, right? You won't be generating any points, you will not be farming any points. So after 8 hours, you have to open up this app, tap on claim, and then tap on start farming again for you to start farming. All right, so let's tap on ratings. Here you can see the leaderboard of those of the points and the individuals that farmed the highest number of points, and this is the newbie league. So as you progress, you'll be entering other leagues. And then for friends, this is where you invite friends to earn more points by sharing your referral link. So you could just copy your referral link by tapping on here, and then it's copied, and then you can share it on your various groups so your friends can get in on the Aqua Protocol project. And let's see what we have here. Okay, here you need to connect your wallet. Okay, so you can connect your Ton wallet here, and then you join Telegram announcement to earn Gleam points, and join Twitter to earn Gleam points. All right, guys, so this is all there is to know about how you can farm the Aqua Protocol built on the Ton blockchain. You can always get more information on their socials, for instance their Twitter. You can hop on their Twitter and check what they're all about, right? You could just look at the progress of the project and see what they're building, and once you're comfortable and you're sure that you've done your adequate research and you want to get in on this, go right ahead to farm those points and wait for your potential rewards once they launch. I hope this video has been helpful, guys. Ensure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on that post notification bell for more educative content from the SMC tutors. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.